Autonomous District Council ban I scheduled tribe certificate yaki KHASI bapendon kam dakajat Jong pa hakajaka Jong ka kami kalalong ka benta ka baklut hadien ba ka singkong rimpai thamai kalarai ban Leit Ujor shaying Bishar Pyrshah ya kani karai Jong ka KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council hakajingan lang hasulong press club nin kasi president ka SRT uba taybor khongji ulaong baka khat south trik urisa usnam 8,000 khat khandai ka SRT kala pha ka memorandum sha ka sarkar da ka baong bashibon ki KHASI ki blashim jat nau pa ki ba apply ka ST certificate ki la sha kan tho bat ha ka bayadai ba ka jing I certificate lapan slam de ki benai uba khongji ulapan pawru ka jing song si ba ki khna ki bala kha Now pa ubom day KHASI but ka kami pat ka KHASI kilayo ke ST certificate henry ompat ya ki khna ki ba ki kami ki pa ki ki KHASI henry ki bala shim jat pat now pa.
So we have come here in the press conference to let the people know and to condemn the statement made by MDC Ilaka of the District Council and at the same time by the CEM, the District Council, through newspaper and social media on the 11/4/2023 and 24/4/2023 on the subject to deprive and deny ST certificate to the children who bears the father's title. We had taken legal advices from more than 3 to 4 lawyers, of which they also feel that whatever stretch we have taken, whatever measures the organization have taken through these memorandums, through the appeal, the government has given an order which is in line with us. And legally, we also stand solid. We stand valid and we stand